What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel Coupon Box, and here I am going to share the coupon code for Aliexpress.com. You can use this coupon code in UK and US both. So simply add this coupon code on the checkout page and you will get discount according to the terms and conditions of that coupon code, and it is also depend on you what type of shopping you have doing from website or an app. So simply add this on the checkout page, that's it. So you can use it in UK and US both. So if it is working for you, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. If you want more coupon code for Aliexpress, just comment down below so I'll create a new video for you. So here is a 4 fresh coupon code which is working right now on Aliexpress, and you will get great discount according to the coupon code terms and conditions. So here we go.